People start to realize our differences aren't as big as they seem.
I couldn't really understand the magnitude of what was going on.
I know a lot of people were affected.
You know, it's still that divide.
From the All Indiana Podcast Network and Wish TV, this is Our City, Our Voice.
You look a lot different at it.
Everybody was kind of spinning about what it was and what was happening.
Everything's changed.
Everything's changed.
Dr. Chris Williams, a 24-year U.S. Army veteran, is now the performance improvement consultant for Eskenazi Health.
My background in the military, I retired from the military at 21 years of services. I've been deployed 3 times, and I served most of my time in the active Indiana Army National Guard. Service members transitioning to civilian life is kind of difficult. A service member brings with them a lot of leadership experience, a lot of talent in that area. However, there's this huge civilian gap. So when you find yourself looking for opportunities on the outside, there's that disconnect. You'll have a lot of employers that are very excited about having someone that has the background of the military and leadership experience, not having to worry about they're going to show up on time because that's embedded in you, not worrying about if you're going to do the right ethical thing. The issue is not understanding all the different education series that you would have gotten if you were coming through that company or a similar company. There's a lot of programs out there that will help companies bring in veterans into the organization. Specifically for Eskenazi, they have started what's called a ERG for veterans. So they have a group specialized for veterans and also individuals that support veterans. So it's not just veteran related, it's anyone that wants to be a part of that community. I will say that when you leave an organization that has you ingrained in training, you leave the organization thinking that you can take those set of skills and be able to set that puzzle piece into another puzzle board. Well, that doesn't work, right? So sometimes we come to the realization that we have to take a step back and learn some of those tactics and techniques that we didn't know as a civilian. I would say 90% of the jobs, unless you're technical, like if you're certified on the outside as well as inside, like if you're a medical doctor, HVAC technician or something like that, you're going to have to take a step back and build those skills up to fulfill that area of expertise.
Discover more at wishtv.com, and when you follow Wish TV on Facebook, check out more podcasts from the All Indiana Podcast Network now at allindianapodcastnetwork.com.